Hey everyone! The Red Magic Cooler 8 Pro represents the latest evolution in external smartphone cooling, and it clearly shows how serious mobile gaming has become. Designed as the successor to the Red Magic Magnetic Cooler 6 Pro, this new model pushes thermal performance further while maintaining a compact, gamer-focused design. With a launch price of $39, it positions itself as an affordable yet highly specialized accessory for users who demand stable frame rates and sustained peak performance from their devices. At first glance, the Cooler 8 Pro looks like a refined continuation of Red Magic's signature cooling design language. It attaches magnetically, and promotional materials demonstrate seamless compatibility with MagSafe-enabled devices, such as the iPhone, while broader support is expected for Android smartphones, including models from Google Pixel and Xiaomi. This wide compatibility makes it versatile, not just limited to one ecosystem. The headline feature is its 36-watt cooling power, which is a measurable step up from the previous generation's 30-watt output. That additional thermal headroom translates into more aggressive heat dissipation during demanding tasks such as high frame rate gaming, extended 5G streaming sessions, or intensive multitasking. At the core of the system is an upgraded thermoelectric cooling module paired with a larger TEC plate. Under controlled testing conditions, the company claims temperature reductions of up to 80 degrees Celsius, with a minimum cooling capability reaching as low as -25 degrees Celsius. Internal testing data provided by the manufacturer is particularly striking. In one example, a constant 10-watt heat source reportedly dropped from 95 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius within 20 minutes. Even accounting for controlled laboratory conditions, that scale of temperature reduction suggests the Cooler 8 Pro is capable of significantly stabilizing device thermals. Compared to the Cooler 6 Pro, which could reduce temperatures by up to 41 degrees Celsius and reach a minimum of -16 degrees Celsius, the new model feels like a more ambitious piece of engineering. The previous generation already introduced a graphene-infused heatsink and a 7-blade fan design for improved airflow. Noise levels remain impressively controlled at around 36 decibels. That places it in a range that is audible but far from distracting, especially when compared to in-game sound or ambient room noise. For competitive players who rely on audio cues, maintaining low acoustic output is essential. One of the most compelling aspects of the Cooler 8 Pro is its ability to preserve full frame rate performance during intensive gaming. Modern mobile chipsets can deliver impressive graphics fidelity, but they are often limited by thermal ceilings rather than raw processing power. The result is more stable performance curves, fewer frame drops, and potentially longer battery health preservation due to reduced sustained heat exposure. Overall, the Red Magic Cooler 8 Pro is not just an incremental upgrade. It represents a focused response to the growing demands of high-performance mobile gaming. With stronger 36-watt cooling output, improved TEC design, broader magnetic compatibility, and low operational noise, it stands out as one of the more capable smartphone cooling accessories currently available in its price range. While real-world temperature drops will vary depending on environment and device, the engineering improvements over the previous generation suggest that Red Magic is steadily refining its external cooling technology into a mature and highly practical performance tool. Thanks for watching. What do you think? Is it worth buying? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.